Hi, Mudra, thank you. Okay. Sabi niya, you drop me and go park. You're so excellent. Sana ako sabi ng itik. Mayroon silang negosyo sa small farm. Hi, bye. Asawa ko, amping for me. You bring this car? Okay. No, that one. Excuse me. That is for that part. Kumusta man? Bakit ilipat niya yan sa sasakyang iba? Lain sa... Lalo man daw nila sa farm. All this one is farm. Okay. Sa ibang sasakyan, sa laing sasakyan niya. Okay, sige. Team Universe 11 na this engines 1st of June. Excellent daw ako. How is my driving, madam? Saking ba, I love you. Ingat lagi, don't cross the bush.